Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders, the podcast that helps you stay sharp, smart, and profitable in the ever-evolving world of trading. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're unpacking a big topic that's long overdue for many retail traders, making the switch from MetaTrader 4 to a modern trading platform. If you're still using MT4 in 2025, I hate to say it, but you're trading on borrowed time. Now look, we all know MetaTrader 4 has been a workhorse. It's served millions of traders for nearly 2 decades. The interface is familiar, the charting tools are decent, and expert advisors gave us automated trading long before it was mainstream. But here's the reality. MetaQuotes, the developer behind MT4, has officially stopped supporting it. No more updates, no more patches, and yes, brokers are slowly but surely phasing it out. The platform's days are numbered. So in this episode, we're doing a deep dive into how you can make the switch without stress, without losing your tools, and without missing a beat in the markets. Let's break it all down, step by step. Why it's time to move on. The first and most obvious reason to migrate is that support for MT4 has ended. That means any future bugs or vulnerabilities, you're on your own. As the platform gets more outdated, compatibility issues and security risks are only going to increase. Second, brokers are moving away from MT4. Some have already pulled the plug. Others are limiting features or nudging clients toward alternatives like MT5 or their proprietary platforms. That might not impact you today, but it will. And when it does, you don't want to be scrambling mid-trade. Third, modern platforms just offer more. We're talking better execution speed, broader asset classes, built-in analytics, and in many cases, cloud access, social trading, mobile integration, the works. And let's not forget, some of these newer platforms are built with compliance, regulation, and transparency in mind from the ground up. Bottom line, MT4 had its moment. But if you're serious about staying competitive in this industry, it's time to modernize. Step 1, choosing the right platform. Not all platforms are created equal, so do your homework. When evaluating your next trading base, here's what you want to look for. User experience. Is the interface clean, responsive, customizable? Can you work quickly and intuitively? Advanced charting. Does it offer the indicators and drawing tools you need? Does it support scripting or custom tools? Automated trading. If you use expert advisors, can the platform handle algo strategies or custom bots? Asset coverage, Forex, crypto, stocks, indices? Make sure the instruments you trade are fully supported. Device access. Can you switch from desktop to mobile seamlessly without losing data? Community and support. Active forums and fast customer service are non-negotiable, especially during the transition period. A strong example? Check out crystalballmarkets.com. Their platform checks all the boxes: advanced features, tight execution, mobile compatibility, and an intuitive layout that's friendly to MT4 converts. Step 2, setting up your new account. Once you've chosen your platform, the first step is creating your account. Most platforms follow the same sequence. Registration, basic info, email verification, done. KYC verification, upload your ID and proof of address. Standard for regulatory compliance. Deposit funds, choose your method, fund your account, and confirm the minimum deposit if there is one. Explore the platform. Before going live, click around. Learn the layout. Locate your watch list, order panel, and trade history. It sounds simple, and it is, but take your time here. This is your new trading home. Get familiar with every corner of it. Step 3, migrating your tools. This is where some traders get nervous, moving EAs, indicators, or custom scripts. Here's how to handle it. First, check compatibility. Some newer platforms support MQL4 or have tools to import MT4 indicators. Others use different scripting languages altogether, like PineScript for TradingView or C# for CTrader. If direct transfer isn't possible, you've got options. Use native tools on the new platform that mimic your indicator's functionality. Hire a developer to convert your EA into the new scripting language. Start fresh with pre-built tools from the platform's indicator library or marketplace. But don't skip testing. Run everything through a demo account first. Confirm that it behaves exactly how you expect under real-time conditions. Step 4. Mastering the new interface. Switching platforms can feel disorienting at first, but with a little effort, most traders find modern interfaces easier to navigate than MT4. Here's how to flatten the learning curve. Watch tutorials. Most platforms now include embedded videos and walkthroughs. Join webinars or training sessions, especially if your platform of choice offers live support or weekly sessions. Use the demo account, and not just for testing. Use it to simulate real trading days until you're confident with your workflow. Engage with the community, Reddit, Discord, Telegram groups. You name it. If you're stuck, someone else has already figured it out. And don't forget to customize your workspace. Set up your preferred chart layout, time frames, indicators, and risk settings. Treat it like your cockpit. Common pain points and how to handle them. Let's talk about some challenges you might hit along the way. Execution differences, order speed, slippage, and fill quality can vary. Test first. If you're switching from a dealing desk model to ECN, your fills might improve. Data migration. Trade history often doesn't transfer. Export your MT4 data and keep your journal up to date. Script conversion. Some indicators won't translate 1:1. Don't panic. Get help from a coding expert or find replacements. The important thing is this: none of these are deal breakers. With a little planning, each one has a workaround. Final thoughts: don't just replace, upgrade. This isn't just about swapping one terminal for another. It's about leveling up. Modern platforms give you more control, more tools, and more efficiency. They also future-proof your trading because as the landscape shifts, so do the tools of the trade. Don't get left behind using outdated tech just because it's familiar. Take the time, do it right, and use this switch as an opportunity to sharpen your edge. And if you're ready to make the move, check out crystalballmarkets.com. They offer a modern, intuitive platform that's built for traders who are ready for the next chapter. Sophia, closing. That's it for today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia. Thanks for listening, and remember, in trading, evolution isn't optional. It's essential. Until next time, trade smart, stay focused, and keep moving forward.